Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload another video. Today I'll be walking you through how I do step by step prepare stuff to make creamy chicken Alfredo with pasta. I normally wash my chicken and season, and I did not use a lot of season. I leave them in the description box below. I used a countertop grill to grill this chicken. I did not add any water while this was cooking. I just allowed to cook and allow the smoke, the heat to cook this chicken. There you can see I turned it over on the other side to have the other side grilled. Once I do this and it is ready, it took me, I would say 20 to 30 minutes to the amount I was using. There you can see the final finished product, the grilled chicken breast. Not dried out, it looks juicy. It can be eaten just as is. It can even be added to your salads. There you can see I dice the chicken up in small pieces because I'll be making a bowl of pasta and I want this in small pieces. In the meantime, I was cooking my pasta and I cooked this pasta for 10 to 15 minutes the most, because then you don't want it overcooked because you'll be adding it in your oven. Next, I added my chicken, my Alfredo sauce, herbs, cheese, whole milk. I used a spoon to mix in everything. Once I mix in everything, I put my oven to heat on 350 degrees because I will now need to add this in the oven to bake for 20 to 30 minutes maximum. I leave it uncovered. Once it is finished, this is what it looks like. Creamy, juicy. Tell me I'm the boss in the description box below. And this is an Italian meal. See, I put a spoon in it to let you see what it looks like. It's creamy. It looks delicious. You can see the grilled chicken. You can see the herbs. You can see the Alfredo sauce. I serve this up with some garlic lemon salmon that I had prepared. But listen, this creamy chicken Alfredo can be eaten by itself. It's a meal in itself. There you see it. It's ready for consumption. Delicious, creamy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. See you again in my next video.